Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Copper CRM on iPad with MFA. Open your iPad and locate the Copper CRM app. Tap on the app icon to launch it. On the login screen, enter your registered email address and password. After entering your credentials, tap the Login button. You will be directed to the Multi-Factor Authentication screen. Check your registered authentication method for a verification code. This could be an email, SMS, or an authenticator app. Retrieve the code from your selected method. Once you have the code, return to the Copper CRM app. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Be mindful of the time limit, as codes often expire quickly. After entering the code, tap the Verify button. If the code is correct, you will gain access to your Copper CRM account. In case of an error, double-check the code for any typos. You can attempt to regenerate the code through your authentication method. Once authenticated, explore the features offered by Copper CRM. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the app's layout and options. If you encounter any challenges, seek help through the support section of the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.